In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQs, that is, which of the following set hold the closure property with respect to addition. So first, that is A option, -1 and 1. So -1 plus 1 is equal to 0, does not hold -1 and 1. Next, B option, -1 2. So -1 plus 2 is equal to +1. +1 does not belong to -1 and 2. C option, 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, does not hold 2 and 1. So all these sets are not closure property with respect to addition. So option D is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.